I'm John Syke, president of Aqua Specialists. We do swimming pool service, repairs, maintain them. We replace pool liners and anything except building a pool, basically. In 1959, Harold Pike started the business. He lived in the farmhouse over there that's called the Wah House. He lived there in that swimming pool. And he would drive down to Baltimore to get chemicals for his swimming pool. And then friends would say, "Oh, Harold, how about getting me some?" And he thought, why not make money on this? So he actually started in '59, and it was Pike Pool Supply. 1974, I got engaged and I needed a job. I was going to get married. I figured it might be a good idea if I earned money. So they needed somebody to work in the office, so I started there. Went out in the field, learned all the tricks of the trade. In 1981, my parents purchased the business from the previous owner, and in 1991, I purchased it from them. And now in 2019, 2020, my son's in the process of purchasing it from me. I hope that he passes it on to his son and keeps going. In the peak season, we have 24 employees. The office staff out there, they all have 25 years or more here, and some of the service people are close to that. I think the most enjoyable times are when we replace somebody's pool liner and they come out and see it for the first time, and it's like a totally new pool. I think those are probably the most inspiring moments. It's just fun. I love what I do, and I'm happy to say my son's the same way. Reliability. I think that's probably one of the keys. We service all brands of in-ground pools. We pride ourselves in having the right part the first time because we know what equipment you have. In the service industry, you have to make the customer happy because that's your whole reputation. Customers get to like a certain serviceman, so that's the kind of detail we take. You like Jim, so we make sure that Jim has you on his route, and every week Jim comes, and we have some customers that have probably been with us almost as long as I've been here, and they're back every year because they can count on us. Services is our main game, and that's what we strive to do. And I think that's one thing I like about Members First. At a neighborhood function at Cumberland Valley High School, I met Rob Keith, and he said, "Can I talk to you about Members First?" I said, "Great." The relationship really blossomed from there. We switched our banking over. I said, "Well, how about payroll? Do you know anybody that does payroll?" He said, "I do," and he hooked us up. And then we got discussing 401k. I wasn't happy with where that was. He hooked me up with someone there, Mike Fadash, and they've taken over our 401k. So I always feel like that they are there to serve us. It's not, I don't have to call up and say, "Hey, I need this." And it's been a wonderful experience, completely satisfying.